If you use CapCut on more than one device, syncing your project can save you a ton of time and make your editing workflow much smoother. In this video, I'll show you how to sync your CapCut project across devices in just a few simple steps. This is especially useful if you start editing on your PC and want to continue later on your phone or another device without losing progress. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're signed into the same account you use on your other devices. This is important because CapCut uses your account to connect and sync your projects. Once you're inside CapCut, you'll land on the home screen. From there, scroll down a little bit until you find the Project Sync option. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may be listed in the home area or slightly lower on the page, so take a moment to look carefully. When you see Project Sync, click on it. You'll then see a toggle or switch that allows you to turn the feature on. Go ahead and enable it. Once Project Sync is turned on, CapCut will begin syncing your project data across your devices connected to the same account. That means when you make changes on one device, you'll be able to access the updated project from another supported device. This is a huge help if you're switching between desktop and mobile editing or just want a more flexible workflow. After enabling it, give CapCut a moment to finish syncing and then check your other device to confirm that the project appears there as expected. If it does, you're all set. Your CapCut project is now synced across devices, making it easier to edit anywhere, anytime. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.